Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the app is current and you're signed in. This unlocks saved places and KML support. Once done, grant location and storage so Google Earth can center and cache imagery. Now find the place you want and orient the view with pinch and rotate gestures. Next, open the app menu and look for the layers or view options. This is where the historical timeline control appears. Do these first so the timeline will load quickly as you proceed. You'll now engage the timeline. Tap the historical imagery control to reveal the date slider. Use a thumb to scrub left or right. Each stop requests a different archived satellite frame. Pinch to zoom while moving the slider to load higher resolution tiles for that date. Once you find two useful dates, use compare mode or adjust overlay opacity to reveal changes. This helps you see development or seasonal shifts. Make sure to wait briefly after changing date. Finally, lock in your findings. Add a place mark and save the current view. Take screenshots or export KML if the mobile app supports it so you keep date metadata. When capturing multiple dates, use the same zoom and angle for accurate comparison. Make sure to clear cache if images look stale, and if the timeline control disappears, update the app or try clearing app data. As a fallback, use desktop Google Earth for the full historical imagery interface if mobile lacks a feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.